A patrol boat is a relatively small naval vessel generally designed for coastal defense duties. There have been many designs for patrol boats. They may be operated by a nation's navy, coast guard, or police force, and may be intended for marine or estuarine or river environments. They are commonly found engaged in various border protection roles, including anti-smuggling, anti-piracy, fisheries patrols, and immigration law enforcement. They are also often called upon to participate in rescue operations. Vessels of this type include the original yacht, a light, fast-sailing vessel used by the Dutch Navy to pursue pirates and other transgressors around and into shallow waters. Classification. They may be broadly classified as inshore patrol vessels and offshore patrol vessels. They are warships typically smaller in size than a corvette and can include fast attack craft, torpedo boats and missile boats. Although some are as large as a frigate, the offshore patrol vessels are usually the smallest ship in a navy's fleet that are large and seaworthy enough to patrol offshore in the open ocean. In larger militaries, such as in the United States military, offshore patrol vessels usually serve in the Coast Guard, but many smaller nations' navies operate these type of ships. History. During both World Wars, in order to rapidly build up numbers, all sides created auxiliary patrol boats by arming motorboats and seagoing fishing trawlers with machine guns and obsolescent naval weapons. Some modern patrol vessels are still based on fishing and leisure boats. Seagoing patrol boats are typically around 30 meters in length and usually carry a single medium-caliber artillery gun as main armament, and a variety of lighter secondary armament such as machine guns or a close-in weapon system. Depending on role, vessels in this class may also have more sophisticated sensors and fire control systems that would enable them to carry torpedoes, anti-ship and surface-to-air missiles. Most modern designs are powered by gas turbine arrangements such as a CODAG, and speeds are generally in the 25 to 30 knots range. They are primarily used for patrol in a country's exclusive economic zone. Common tasks are fisheries inspection, anti-smuggling duties, illegal immigration patrols, anti-piracy patrols and search and rescue. The largest OPVs might also have a flight deck and helicopter embarked. In times of crisis or war, these vessels are expected to support the larger vessels in the Navy. Their small size and relatively low cost make them one of the most common type of warship in the world. Almost all navies operate at least a few offshore patrol vessels, especially those with only green water capabilities. They are useful in smaller seas such as the North Sea as well as in open oceans. Similar vessels for exclusively military duties include torpedo boats and missile boats. The United States Navy operated the Pegasus class of armed hydrofoils for years, in a patrol boat role. The river patrol boat is a U.S. design of small patrol boat type designed to patrol waters of large rivers. Specific nations: Albania, Illyria, Argentina, Mantilla-class patrol vessel, Argentine Naval Prefecture. Z-28 class patrol vessel, Argentine Naval Prefecture. Australia, Attack class patrol boat, 1967 to 1985. Fremantle class patrol boat, 1979 to 2007. Armidale class patrol boat, 2005 to present. Bay-class patrol boat, 1999 to present. Australian Customs vessel Triton, 2000 to present. Cape-class patrol boat, Bay-class replacement from 2013. Bahamas class 60 meters patrol vessel. Protector-class patrol boat. Bangladesh Durjoy class LPC. Island-class patrol vessel. Sea Dragon-class offshore patrol vessel. Padma-class offshore patrol vessel. Meghna-class large patrol boats. Hainan-class submarine chaser. Kraljevica-class patrol boat. Barkash small patrol boat. AJ-class patrol boat. Shaheed-class small patrol boat. Brazil Grajor-class offshore patrol vessel. Brackway-class patrol vessel, Imperial Marinero-class offshore patrol vessel, Piratini-class patrol vessel, J-class patrol vessel, Roraima-class river patrol vessel, Pedro Teixeira-class river patrol vessel, Macaire-class offshore patrol vessel, Amazonas-class corvette BAE offshore patrol vessel, Belgium 2 new coastal patrol vessels, Canada Kingston-class, Orca-class, Hero-class, China Harbor Security Boat 4 newly built 80-ton class harbor security patrol boats, and more are planned in order to take over the port security patrol duties currently performed by the obsolete Shan-2, Beihai, Huang Pu, and a Yulin classes gunboats, which are increasingly being converted to inshore surveying boats and range support boats. Shanghai 3 class gunboats 2, Shanghai 2 class gunboats, Shanghai I classes gunboats 150 plus active and at least 100 in reserve, Huladao class gunboat 8 plus, Shanta class gunboats less than 25, Beihai class gunboats less than 30, Huang Pu class gunboats less than 15, Yulin class gunboats less than 40, Haizan class cutter, China Coast Guard, Chile Patrulleros de Zona Maritima FASSMEROPV-80 class, 3 units built under license by ASMAR, OPV-81, Piloto Pardo, OPV-82, Comandante Toro, OPV-83, Marinero Fuentelba. This unit has reinforced hull for Antarctic operations. Columbia Diligente class patrol boat, Nodriza class patrol boat, PAFI class patrol boat, PAFE class patrol boat, PAFIII class patrol boat, PAFIV class patrol boat, Patrulera Fluvial Ligure class patrol boat, Raya Hachar class gunboat, FASSMER-80 class, Denmark, KNUD Rasmussen class OPV-2 vessels, Diana class IPV-6 vessels Danish Wikipedia, Flyve Fiskin class patrol vessel, Thetis class OPV-4 ships, Biskytran Ocean Patrol frigate OPV, later sold to Estonia and renamed EML Admiral Pitka, Aglet class IPV-3 vessels, Barca class IPV-9 vessels Danish Wikipedia, Vidbunen class OPV-4 ships, classed as ocean patrol frigates, Eritrea class 60 meters patrol vessel, Protector class patrol boat, France P-400 class, Floreal class, Flamand class, Espadan 50 class, Trident class patrol boat, Geranium class patrol boat, Jonquil class patrol boat, Vidette class patrol boat, Petulant class patrol craft, Pavwa class patrol craft, Finland Kiila class, UVL-10, a new offshore patrol vessel under construction at STX Finland, VMV class, Germany Bad Bramstedt class 2002 to present, Park class 1943 to 1945, R boats 1929 to 1945, Type 139 patrol trawler 1956 to mid-1970s. Greece Hellenic Navy Osprey 55 class gunboats and derivatives HSY 55 and HSY 56A, Asheville class gunboats, Nasty class coastal patrol vessels, formerly torpedo boats, Estoril class coastal patrol vessels, Hellenic Coast Guard SAR-4 acting as offshore patrol vessels, Stan Patrol 5509 OPV, Vosper Europatrol 250 Mk1 OPV, Obeking and Rasmussen patrol vessels, class Stylos, POB-24G patrol vessels, class Fiakas, CB-90HCG, Lambro 57 and derivatives, all being boats for coastal patrols. Hong Kong Police Force Sea Panther class large command boat, Iceland ICGV Tyr, ICGV Athen, ICGV Thor, ICGV Aegir. India Car Nicobar class fast attack craft, Indian Navy. Sayu class patrol vessel, Indian Navy. Bangaram class patrol vessel, Indian Navy. Sukhanu class patrol vessel, Indian Navy. Sama class, Indian Coast Guard. Vishwasht class, Indian Coast Guard. Sarojini Naidu class, Indian Coast Guard. Tarabai class, Indian Coast Guard. Priyadarshini class, Indian Coast Guard. Jiabai class, Indian Coast Guard. Vikram class, Indian Coast Guard. Ardash class, Indian Coast Guard. Indonesia FPB-28, Indonesian Police and Indonesian Customs, 28-meter-long patrol boat made by local shipyard PT, PAL. FPB-38, Indonesian Customs, 38-meter-long aluminium patrol boat made by local shipyard PT, PAL. FPB-57, Indonesian Navy, 57-meter-long patrol boat designed by Lursen and made by PT, PAL, ASM and a heli-deck equipped for submersion. PC-40, Indonesian Navy, 40-meter-long FRP, aluminum patrol boat, locally made by in-house Navy's workshop. PC-60 Trimaran, Indonesian Navy, 63-meter-long composite material, is armed with 120 km range of anti-ship missile, made by PT London Industry. Ireland Irish Naval Service Offshore Patrol Vessels La Ashling. Irish Naval Service Helicopter Patrol Vessels La Idna. Irish Naval Service Coastal Patrol Vessels La Orla La Sierra. Irish Naval Service Large Patrol Vessels La Rachine La Neve. Samuel Beckett Class OPV La Samuel Beckett La James Joyce. Israel Debor Class Patrol Boats, Israeli Navy. Devora class fast patrol boat, Israeli Navy. Super Devora Mk2, Israeli Navy. Super Devora Mk3, Israeli Navy. Shaldag class fast patrol boats, Shaldag Mk2, Israeli Navy. Naxhol class patrol boats, Israeli Navy. Italy's Era class. Setia class. Disharti, CP902 class. Cassiopeia class. Cassiopeia 2 class. Esplorator class. Komandante class. Japan Shikishima, the largest patrol boat. Mizuho class, large patrol vessel with helicopter deck and hangar. Tsugaru class, large patrol vessel with helicopter deck and hangar. Haida class, high-speed large patrol vessel with helicopter deck. ASO class, high-speed large patrol vessel. Amami class, medium-sized patrol vessel. Soya, icebreaker. Latvia Skrunda class, world's first SWAT patrol boat. Malaysia Kadar class offshore patrol vessel. Gaga class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Ramunia class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. NUSA class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Sipadan class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Ru class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Pengamal class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Peningiru class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Palindung class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Semilang class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Pengalang class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Penyelimat class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Pengaman class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Kilat class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Malawali class ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Langkawi class patrol ship, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency. Malta Protector class offshore patrol vessel 2002 present. Disharti class offshore patrol vessel 2005 present. P-21 class inshore patrol vessel 2010 present. EMA class offshore patrol vessel 2015 present. Mexico Uribe class offshore patrol vessel, Holzinger class offshore patrol vessel, Sierra class offshore patrol vessel, Durango class offshore patrol vessel, Oaxaca class offshore patrol vessel, Azteca class coastal patrol boat, Morocco OPV-70 class offshore patrol vessel, OPV-64 class offshore patrol vessel, Netherlands Holland class offshore patrol vessels, New Zealand Protector class OPV, Protector class IPV, Moa class patrol boat, Norway Royal Norwegian Navy RAP class, Kjeld class, Storm class, Snog class, Hauk class, Skjold class, Norwegian Coast Guard Barentshav class OPV, Harstad class OPV, Nordkapp class OPV, Nornan class, Svalbard class icebreaker, Philippine Navy Mariano Alvarez class, Gen. Emilio Aguinaldo class, Kagetingan class, Thomas Batillo class, Conrado Yap class, Jose Andrade class, Peru Rio Zaramia class, Peruvian Coast Guard, Rio Caneta class, Peruvian Coast Guard, Portugal Portuguese Navy Centauro class, Viana do Castelo class, Albatross class, Cassine class, Argos class, National Republican Guard Ribamar class, Romanian SNR-17 class patrol boats, Romanian Border Police, Stefan Selmer patrol vessel, Romanian Border Police, Russia Stenka class patrol boat, Russian Navy, Bogomil class patrol boat, Russian Navy, Mirage class patrol boat, Russian Navy, Svetlyar class patrol boat, Russian Coast Guard, Ogana class patrol boat, Russian Coast Guard, Mangus class patrol boat, Russian Navy and Russian Coast Guard, Ruben class patrol boat, Russian Coast Guard, Singapore Fearless class, Republic of Singapore Navy, PK class interceptor craft, Police Coast Guard, First Generation PT class patrol craft, Police Coast Guard, Second Generation PT class patrol craft, Police Coast Guard, Third Generation PT class patrol craft, Police Coast Guard, PC class patrol craft, Police Coast Guard, Swift class coastal patrol craft, Slovenian patrol boat, Triglav, Sri Lanka Jaya Sagara class, Columba class, South Africa Warrior class, Namakura class, South Korea Chamshuri class, Gumdok Shuri class patrol vessel, Spain Meteora class, Descubierta class, Servila class, Anaga class, Barcelo class, Torala class, Conejera class, Chilru class, P-111 class patrol boat, Cabo Fradera class, Suriname OCEA type FPB-98 class fast patrol boat, OCEA type FPB-72 class fast patrol boat, Sweden Hugon class 16 ships, Kaparin class 8 ships. Additionally, the Swedish Navy also operates a smaller and less capable type of patrol boat, TYP-60 class 17 ships, Tapper class 12 ships. The Swedish Coast Guard operate an additional 22 patrol vessels of various sizes. Go to article Coast Guard Thailand Patani class, River class, T-991 class, Turkey Kilik 2 class, Turkish Navy, Kilik I class, Turkish Navy, Yıldız class, Turkish Navy, Ruzgar class, Turkish Navy, Dogan class, Turkish Navy, Kartal class, Turkish Navy, Turk class, Turkish Navy, Tuzla class, Turkish Navy, Khan 15 class, Turkish Coast Guard Command, Khan 19 class, Turkish Coast Guard Command, Khan 29 class, Turkish Coast Guard Command, Khan 33 class, Turkish Coast Guard Command, 33 Saudi Riyals class, Turkish Coast Guard Command, 35 Saudi Riyals class, Turkish Coast Guard Command, 80 class, Turkish Coast Guard Command, United Kingdom motor launch of World War II, Harbor Defense Motor Launch of World War II. River-class patrol vessel, Castle-class patrol vessel, Archer-class patrol vessel, Island-class patrol vessel, United States Navy Eagle-class patrol craft of World War I and World War II, PC patrol craft of World War II, Cyclone-class patrol ship, U.S. Navy, Dauntless-class patrol boat, U.S. Navy, United States Coast Guard cutters of the U.S. Coast Guard, 87-foot Marine Protector-class coastal patrol boat, USCG, 110-foot Island-class patrol boat, USCG, 154-foot Sentinel-class cutter, USCG, 210-foot Reliance-class cutter, USCG, 270-foot Famous-class cutter, USCG, 378-foot Hamilton-class cutter, USCG, 418-foot Legend-class cutter, USCG, 399-foot Polar-class icebreaker, USCG, Vietnam Type TT-120 patrol boat, Vietnam Coast Guard, Type TT-200 patrol boat, Vietnam Coast Guard, Type TT-400 patrol boat, Vietnam Coast Guard, DN-2000 offshore patrol vessels, Vietnam Coast Guard,